Economy is a very important core subject of GS around development, around the policies related to trade, infrastructure, investments in agriculture, pricing policy, monetary policy. And there is a very scientific way of studying economy. But there is a process how you should study this. बहुत बार होता है that we get trapped in debates कि हम डेटा याद रखें नहीं रखें, किस टाइप के बुक्स पढ़ें, and more importantly current affairs के साथ में पेस रखना. So all of this we will discuss with all of you in a live workshop, both offline and online. I will be there along with Tehleel sir and Devinder sir. We'll have an activity-based workshop where we hope to enlighten you and educate you on economy as a subject पढ़ा कैसे जाता है, क्या resources आपको follow करना चाहिए, and how you can enjoy and engage with economy topics. So welcome, workshop 1st of March at 4 p.m. online and offline on Edukemy.